Hennessey Performance. I'm driving a twin turbo Audi R8. All right, here we go. Rolling into it. Just a very effortless 148, I think is what I saw. All amidst an amazing sound just right behind you, flowing into your ears. Just an orchestra of air and fuel and combustion and fire and turbochargers. So what you're gonna get on the HPE900 package is a fully custom, designed in-house, fabricated in-house, stainless steel twin turbo system, mirror image precision 6266 turbos, running at about 6 pounds of boost, translating to about 750 wheel horsepower. There's a lot of amazing companies that offer big horsepower race car packages for the R8 and Huracan platforms, but what we do is give you something that's reliable, daily drivable, runs on pump gas. It's on the stock fuel system, stock engine, stock transmission, and it drives exactly like stock, and I kid you not, exactly like stock, but with more power, amazing sound with turbos. It's so simple. Not only are you getting amazing horsepower, but you are getting an unbelievable symphony of turbo noise that goes on right behind you. Take the top down, or you can roll the rear window down and just have it right in your ear. You can have turbo spool wastegate noise just whooshing right by your ear. Turbo spool is so nice. It really just drives exactly like stock. And then you punch it. Oh man, look at that. And on top of all that, Hennessey is going to offer you a warranty on it. But enough talking, listen to this beast fly down the track. Here we go. Throughout the entire rev range. It's so fun to drive. If you're looking for something that you can drive on the street but also have an amazing time with because it's really fast, this is the perfect package. If you have an R8 or a Huracan, there's really one thing left to do. Contact us immediately because we're excited to do a sweet build for you. Alright, we'll see you next time. Like this video if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button. Peace out.
Came here for the horsepower.